Chia seeds' popularity exploded in the past couple of years. I didn't want to be late to the bandwagon, so I also started to incorporate them in my diet. I usually add them to my morning oatmeal or my green smoothies or any other type of smoothies I make basically, because they will have a much nicer consistency and they will be thicker, and I like it that way. Hello guys, this is Agnes and this is our Food Fundamentals series on our Bites Fitness YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about chia seeds and why they are so good for you. The ancient Aztecs and Mayans started using chia seeds and they believed in their health benefits. In fact, the word chia means strength in Mayan language. Chia seeds are a powerful superfood and they are also full of nutrients. A lot of studies were made in the past years about chia seeds, and now we see the findings and why they are so healthy. Don't be fooled by the size. These tiny black or white seeds are full of antioxidants and vitamins. They are an amazing source for protein and fiber, and they also have some omega-3 fatty acids in them. Chia seeds have some high-quality protein in them and also some essential amino acids that help absorb the protein in our body. So, if you are on a plant-based diet and struggle to eat enough protein, you may want to include some chia seeds in your diet. There are some carbs in chia seeds. Most of them are fiber, which makes them suitable for a low-calorie diet. Fiber also helps keeping your gut and your microbiome healthy with its friendly bacteria. Chia seeds are actually one of the best fiber sources in the world. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. In fact, they have more in them than salmon. Although scientists don't consider chia seeds a high-quality omega-3 fatty acid source, because our body cannot convert them into DHA, which is the most important omega-3 fatty acid. Because of the omega-3 and the fiber, chia seeds can reduce the risk of heart disease and contribute to your heart and cardiovascular health. The antioxidants in chia seeds are anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a normal immune response of the human body, but when it becomes chronic, it might cause some serious illnesses like cancer and heart disease. Chia seeds are high in nutrients like calcium, magnesium and protein, which are essential for bone health. Chia seeds might also reduce blood sugar levels, which can lead to type 2 diabetes and other chronic diseases. So, how can you incorporate chia seeds in your diet? Luckily, there are a ton of options. The seeds themselves don't have any significant taste, so you can add them to basically anything. You can add them to your oatmeal, to your smoothies like I do, to your baked food or cookies. You can even add them to your salads. If you are already using chia seeds in your kitchen, tell me in the comments below how you incorporate them in your diet. I'm curious to know. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please leave a comment or send it to a friend who might like it as well. And also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we have new content for you every single day. Bye guys! At Bites Fitness we help those who are living a healthy lifestyle and make time to cook for themselves by providing health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, then make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.